Hey guys, welcome to Chicken Fried Kitchen. Today we're working on a recipe for gnocchi with pesto sauce. Let's jump right in. For this recipe you'll need basil pesto, skillet gnocchi, a dry white wine, sun-dried tomatoes, minced garlic, and heavy cream. Begin by adding olive oil and minced garlic to a saucepan over medium heat. Saute for about 2 to 3 minutes or until fragrant, and then add the sun-dried tomatoes, sauteing for about another 3 minutes. Next, pour in the dry white wine of your choice and simmer for 5 to 6 minutes. Now add the basil pesto, stirring to fully combine. Pour in the heavy cream, giving it another good stir and ensure it's thoroughly mixed. Cover the pot, reduce the heat to low, and simmer. Don't forget to check the description for the ingredients, step-by-step instructions, and full recipe link. If you love comfort food recipes as much as I do, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and hit the bell to be notified of future recipes just like this one. Olive oil in a cast iron skillet over high heat and pan fry the gnocchi for about 10 minutes or until browned on at least 2 sides. Once the skillet gnocchi is browned up, pour the creamy basil sauce into the skillet, stir, reduce heat, and let it thicken until you've reached your desired consistency. Serve topped with freshly grated Parmesan cheese and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments how your gnocchi turned out, and as usual, happy cooking.